Hello? Hello? Okay. Let's see, what am I doing? Ah, yes. We are doing the process right here, which really is just this thing. Right? Okay. So we're going to make a test. Right? Test. Plug void. So volume saver actually has to be up here, so volume saver. Right. Okay. And it has to be create a field, right? And then we get rid of this. Right? Now I'm gonna have a lot of errors, all of this. So right. So basically we want to find all of these, control find, select all occurrences. We're getting rid of null. Actually, we're doing volume saver. Right. Then we're going to control find all of this. And we're going to select all occurrences. And we are going to remove volume saver. Right. We are not doing. Click here. Okay, what are the errors? Errors are mock volume saver. So we copy, nope, not copy. Control F for find. Select all occurrences. Get rid of the mock. Right. And now these two will need to do select all occurrences. After the null, we are going to mock volume saver.class. Right. Okay. And then here we are going to mock volume saver again. Select all occurrences. Mock volume saver.class. Right. No errors. Control Shift F10. We should run. It should pass. One problem. Where? Ah, yes, this should have, yes. Okay. Broadcast on call. Okay. Yes, that's fine. And we put that over here. Now, volume saver should probably be private as well. Private static volume saver. Volume saver. Right. No, it can't be because it needs audio manager and stuff. Audio manager and constants. The constants would be fine, but audio manager. Let's see. Volume saver goes up here. Audio manager. Has to go above that. Constants needs to go after that. Right, so this makes that, which makes this. Yes. Okay, Control Shift F10. Inside the class, runs it because that's the shortcut right there. And it says everything works. Okay, let's save this as RT ringtone switch move William saver from process method constructor. Okay. Next we have test, right? We are creating a process. We are giving, it's ringing, right? Right. Yes, it needs to be, well, it's not ringing, it's in location home. So here's the one with location that I can copy. In home false, okay. And let's take this. I'll just paste it here. Well, in location home will be true. True. And what we're going to do is volume saver. Volume saver. We will call, do I have set volume to default? Set volume to saved volume. Okay. So it's mocked, so we need a volume saver, and we need to mock that. And then we gotta get rid of this, and we do volume saver, and then we verify that saver. It's been called one time, and it's going to be called set volume to save volume. Okay, and we're going to create that method. I automatically have it set so it does that. Now we run, and it should fail. Control Shift F10, not left 11. Okay, F10. Right. I go here. Yes, now it should be all the way up here. We do volume saver dot set volume vibrate, and it should pass. It doesn't pass. It's we're getting rid of this. Actually, we're getting rid of. We're gonna copy this. Set volume to vibrate. No. Set volume to vibrate. Okay. Okay, Control K, what did I change? What did I change? So I added that, so we don't need to look at that. I added this here. If I run it again, Control Shift F10. Right. Volume saver and volume saver dot saved volume. Yes, okay. It does work. I was just calling the wrong method. All right, Control K, and then it's T ringtone switch is what we're testing, and that is what we're testing. Right, and we want it so that it's in home. So if it's not in home, Oh, this should be true, right? Yes, okay. So now we test if it's false. False, and we should have 0, and it should be 0 calls. Wait, why did not fail? Wait, did not update. I need to save. Yep, I need to save and update it. Okay, so now we have to move this basically. Um, that should fail. Control save. 10. This fails, right? But if we move it into here, Control save, F10, then it passes. But if we're annoying, we'll do it before we start the ringing. And this volume needs to come before. We gotta set the volume to normal before it starts ringing, or else it just doesn't work. Right. So Control save should still pass. Okay, Control K, change this. Okay, now what we're doing is we want this, it does ring, but it's in order. And so volume, set volume, before, um, before was it start ringing, before start ringing. Okay, and we have this handy as control click. I opened it twice. Okay, so we need to do, and we don't need the do nothing. So we need first mock, second dock. We need an in order mock. So in order, we will go here. We don't need this. We are using an in order. And we need to verify after. Or there's stubbing. So it should be down here, like this. And it should be, we want volume saver. Is it dot method? No, it's just the mocks. Volume saver and ringtone wrapper. Right. Right. Yes, okay. I should probably change the imports to just import everything like so. Yes, no bugs. Okay, so in order, now we want this in order dot verify that method 1 and method 2. Method volume saver dot off times 1. Okay. Verify wrapper times 1 dot starting. Right. Okay. Control S, Control F10, Control Shift F10. Actually, and it fails. But if I go here Control say, Control Shift F10. It succeeds. What if I have an extra one? Shift F10. Should fail because I only have one. It fails. Was it in order dot verify normal interactions? Okay. Control Shift F10. Yes. Okay. So if I get rid of this, it succeeds. If I put it here, fails. Let's Android hotkey move between this. Between tabs. Alt left right. Alt left. Cool. Okay. That's pretty nifty. Okay, and we Control K. Control K. Yes. Now, I believe that's all. Right, so till next time, Control